Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point for upcoming OVS exam 30 current affair asked. This is the first part of July month of current affairs. Each part contains 50 plus important questions. Our target 30 out of 30 mark. So don't time waste. Let's start the first question. The World Bank and Government of India has signed agreement along with which statement is increase access to affordable housing to low income group. Your right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option 2 is your correct answer. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India, got 3-year extension of service recently. Name the Attorney General of India who got 1-year extension of service. Your right answer is KK Benugopal. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who has received the first Professor PC Mahalanobis National Award in Official Statistic 2020? Your right answer is Chakravarti Rangarajan. Option 3 is your correct answer. India has become the founding members of UN Alliance for Poverty Eradication recently. How many people across the globe has been classified as poor? Your right answer is 2.1 billion. Option 1 is your correct answer. What is the amount that was provided by World Bank to India for MSME Emergency Response Program? Your right answer is 750 million US dollar. Option 1 is your correct answer. Rajkiran Rai G tenure as MD and CEO of which bank was extended for 2 years? Your right answer is Union Bank of India. Option 5 is your correct answer. Which among the following has won the 2 award under the categories Best Innovation for COVID-19 Society and People Choice COVID-19 Overall Winner in 4th Annual COGX 2020? Your right answer is MyGov Corona Help Desk. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which country plan to host 2021 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit virtually? Your right answer is New Zealand. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the country which participate in PASEX naval exercise at Malacca Strait with India to promote understanding in Indian Ocean. Your right answer is Japan. Option 2 is your correct answer. The National Doctors' Day was observed annually on July 1st every year. What is the theme for NDD 2020? Your right answer is Lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who among the following were members of International Scientific Group formed by UN Chief for Global Food Summit 2021? Your right answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Ratanlal and Umalel. Option 2 and 1 both are correct. Who has authored the book titled Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends, which was released by Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu? Your right answer is B. Patabhi Ram. Option 4 is your correct answer. Russian electorate granted Vladimir Putin to stay as president of the country till which year? Your right answer is 2036. Option 4 is your correct answer. What is the increase in percent of external debt of India in March 2020 when compared to March 2019 as per RBI data? Your right answer is 2.8%. Who is the overall winner of 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Your right answer is Kritika Pandey. Option 3 is your correct answer. Who is the first Indian to secure podium position in the International Ultra Cycling Race? Your right answer is Bharat Panu. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which country is the largest contributor of e-waste in 2019 as per UN? The global e-waste Monitor 2020 report. Your right answer is China. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France. Your right answer is Jean Castex. Option 1 is your correct answer. Mars Orbiter mission Mars Color Camera has captured closest and largest moon of Mars, Phobos, recently. Mom is associated which country? Your right answer is India. Option 4 is your correct answer. Badminton champion Lin Dan, who announced retirement recently, belong to which country? Your right answer is China. Option 5 is your correct answer. Indian Railway, along with which PSU has commissioned first of its kind solar plant in Bina, Madhya Pradesh to supply power directly on the railway overhead line? Your right answer is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, BHEL. Option 2 is your correct answer. What is the India's rank in SDG Index 2020? Sweden ranked number 1. India rank is 117. Option 3 is your correct answer. Who has authored the book titled Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? Your right answer is Urjit Patel. Option 1 is your correct answer. What is the name of India first social media super app which was launched by Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu? Your right answer is Elements. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which state government decided to upgrade Dehing Patkeri Wildlife Sanctuary to National Park recently? Your right answer is Assam. Option 4 is your correct answer. Who has been appointed as the first chairman of International Finance Services Center Authority, IFSCA? Your right answer is Injeti Srinivas. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the company which in collaboration with ICMR NIB developed India's first COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. Your right answer is Bharat Biotech. Option 3 is your correct answer. The Asia largest and world second largest data center, Yota NM1 data center, was inaugurated at which state? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which country has formally issued notice to UN regarding withdrawal from World Health Organization, WHO? Your right answer is United States. Option 3 is your correct answer. Bharat Dynamic Limited has signed license agreement and transfer of technology of gas missile system with DRDO DRDL. Your right answer is Akash. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who is the chairman of 9-member working group constituted by IRDI to look into the possibility of setting up pandemic risk pool? Your right answer is Suresh Mathur. Option 3 is your correct answer. PM Modi inaugurated the Asia's largest solar power project, Rewa Ultra Mega Solar Power Project, in which state? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option 4 is your correct answer. Who chaired the Independent Panel for Pandemic Preparedness and Response, IPPR, formulated by World Health Organization, WHO? Your right answer is both 1 and 2. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf and Ellen Elizabeth Clark. Maharashtra government along with which bank plan to set up fund to revive slum rehabilitation authority project? Your right answer is State Bank of India, SBI. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who chaired the advisory committee constituted by SEBI on matters related to regulation and development of the mutual fund? Your right answer is Usha Thorat. Option 4 is your correct answer. ISRO set to launch Amazonia 1 Earth Observatory satellite on PSLV. The Amazonia 1 is the satellite belongs to which country? Your right answer is Brazil. Option 3 is your correct answer. Lee Hsien Loong have become the Prime Minister of which country July 2020. Your right answer is Singapore. Option 5 is your correct answer. The 2018 tiger census of which country entered into Guinness Record Book as the largest camel trap wildlife survey in the world? Your right answer is India. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which Indian organization was conferred with Development Marketplace Award 2020 from World Bank Group and Sexual Violence Research Initiative? Your right answer is Institute for Human Development. Option 2 is your correct answer. Who authored the book titled A Song of India? Your right answer is Ruskin Bond. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the company which announced $10 billion digitalization fund in India. Your right answer is Google. Option 4 is your correct answer. Who has been named as recipient of 2020 Von Karman Award by International Academy of Astronautics? Your right answer is Kailash Sabhadebo Sivan. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which state Mukhyamantri, Chief Minister, Darpan Portal and mobile app has received the Elitis Excellence Award 2020 presented by the Elitis Technomedia? Your right answer is Chhattisgarh. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the state which has launched BLUISA to use space technology and AI to monitor government land. Your right answer is Odisha. Option 2 is your correct answer. PM Modi addressed the inaugural section of 3-day Virtual India Global Week 2020 organized in which country? Your right answer is United Kingdom. Option 5 is your correct answer. Indian Railway first cable state rail bridge Anji Bridge is located in which state or union territory? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option 4 is your correct answer. Find the state which plan to upgrade Poba Reserve Forest into Wildlife Sanctuary. Your right answer is Assam. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been appointed as the new Vice President of Asian Development Bank. Your right answer is Ashok Lavasa. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which airport introduced India's first fully contactless car parking? Your right answer is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Option 4 is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. Central government plan to increase public health expenditure to -% of GDP by 2025. Your right answer is 2.5. Option 1 is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. Lastly, I am saying, you the people, if you daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.